Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Now let's learn about verbing using contractions. Let's see. David. You're in my class. David. You're in my class. David. You're in my class. She's in our class. She's in our class. He's over there. He's over there. It's my math book. It's my math book. Now here we have a question. Are you David? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Let's see contraction. Okay, la contraction en inglés se utilizan para que nuestra conversación se escuche más fluida. Se podría decir que es como la forma abreviada. Ejemplo, I am, I am, you're, you are, you're, you are, he's, he is, he's, he is, she's, she is, she's, she is, it's, it is. Okay, just that. Thank you. God bless you.